Good morning, this is Doug with ELP Brief. Thanks for watching today. We do a bunch of these videos, so if you would like to be notified of a future video, click the notification bell up at the top. And we love to hear your comments, so please leave those. I've just got a quick video today on beneficiary deeds, and we see people from time to time that come in with a beneficiary deed. You know, sometimes this is a great idea. It's a fairly new law in Arkansas. New, I guess the statute was, more than 10 years old, but it's sort of it creates a hybrid situation with real property. It's sort of like a POD designation on a bank account. You know, like if mom's got payable on death designation on her bank account and she dies, that money goes directly to you or whoever she's got on the account. Well, traditionally, a will says who gets your real property or land when you die. That's a will. A deed is an instrument that says, hey, I'm conveying ownership interest in this property to someone right now. But a beneficiary deed is a hybrid document where you say, kind of like a POD designation on a bank account, this person or these people get this property when we die. So you retain ownership interest in this property now. You, the grantor, the person that owned the property, still owns it, but the minute they die, it goes to their kids or whoever they say. The problem is sometimes if this person that did the beneficiary deed applies for Medicaid down the road. Now, the difference in a beneficiary deed and a regular deed, again, a regular deed conveys ownership now. So if you did a regular deed 10 years ago to your kids, well, then they own it and it's way past the 5-year look-back rule. Beneficiary deed may be a slightly different story, and I'm just going to read you the language from the statute. By the way, if you are a glutton for punishment and you want to read this yourself, just type in Google ACA 18-12-608. That's one of the beneficiary deed statutes. And this says, the beneficiary deed is subject to a claim for reimbursement of federal or state benefits by the Department of Human Services. So, why would this happen? If a person conveys property several years ago, well, then it's passed on. But a beneficiary deed says, hey, mom still owns it, but the second she dies, then it goes to the kids. Well, you know, if it's a home, if it was like her home, this may be an exempt asset. But if she conveyed it to the kids by beneficiary deed, the second she dies, it passes to them. And the state doesn't have, would otherwise, but for this statute, the state would not have the right to recoup against the property or file a claim to be reimbursed. And so this is why this statute was created, so the state would still be allowed to file a claim for reimbursement if they paid Medicaid benefits for mom or dad. Long story short, if you got a beneficiary deed, this is something, like I say, they're great in certain circumstances. Other situations, maybe not so much. This is definitely something, if you're aging and you think, you know, there's a possibility that nursing home may be in your future, you may want to check these options and this strategy with your attorney and see if there's possibly something you need to do. Thanks for watching, and again, click the notification bell, give us any comments that you have. Have a great day. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.